Wash it. Put this one on first. Yes. Is this side sticking out? Just to the position. Just a little bit below it. Then use this small wrench to fix it. This can touch the wheel. Then use the screw to tighten it. There should be a certain gap from the wheel. This is the connection of the wire feeder. Then, turn it back a little. Okay. It's out. Then send it forward. Press the slot and send it forward. Send it forward, and send it forward. Okay. Okay, press it. Put it down and press it up. Oops. There's another one over there that needs to be pressed. Okay, the installation inside the digital machine is done. This is one of the devices. The power cord consists of 5 wires. The ground wire and the 0 wire are the live wires. Now LEL or L3, these 3 are live wires, and this is 0 wires. This one is ground wire PE. Don't stop, continue. There are 3 buttons in total to turn on the device. This is an emergency stop. Chillers and lasers turn on the chillers first. You can see that it has started to run here. Wait for it to reach between 23 degrees or 28 degrees. It's 25 degrees now. Then you don't have to wait. Turn on the laser directly. After turning on the laser, you can see that the red light of the device has come out. The red light of the laser has come out. Is this the already installed wire delivery? The wire delivery has been installed. Expose the whole gun. The wire feeder has been installed. The scale here. Basically 80% of the devices are aligned with the scale of Ling scale. Then send the wire tube. The wire guide tube is a little below this copper nozzle. 2 or 3 millimeters can't be too far away. If you get too far away, the silk will shake on and off. The one next to it is a silk feeder. Look at the internal structure of the digital machine. Come out this way through this coil of silk. After 2 wire feeding wheels. Then through this wire feeding tube. And finally, until the gun reaches the end of the gun and under the barrel. This is an installation of the gun and the wire feeder. How do we adjust the parameters after installation? This is one of our operation screens. We just need to adjust the scan width, and this is it. And these two. How to adjust it is in the process. We just need to adjust the scan width and peak power. Nothing else needs to be changed. Width determines the width of its red light. The maximum can be adjusted to I can turn it to 5 and see how it changes. Must import. After changing 5, please import it. Click import. It won't work if you don't click import. Then take a look at the changes in the current red box. It has been made wider, basically using less than 5. Just use 3. You are good to the red light. I will click import now. It's already narrowed, and the other thing is power. The maximum power of this one is 3 kilowatts. Let's set it to 600 now. It can support up to 3000. Also point import is now 3000. But if we use it as an experiment, no need to adjust to 3000. Just adjust it to 600, click import and then return. Before welding, we must check this gas. We leave a trick here. Check if this gas is connected to this meter. Its air pressure is about 15. Probably around 15. Okay. And we pick up this ground clamp. There is still a clip like this on the back of the device. This clip must be connected to its mouth. Why are you shooting so close? It has to talk to the mouth. Come and take a look at the screen. If he is with him, hit the muzzle. When you touch it, the light will turn green so that you can to solder. If you don't touch it, it won't turn on. It must. The gun head and the workpiece you are welding, hold it with a clip. It will turn on, and the light will come out when it turns on. Take a look. Including judgment. OK。